In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down menu on Hosting or Website Builder. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your website editor and locating the Pages and Navigation panel. This is typically found in the left-hand sidebar of the builder. That panel controls the structure of your menu and is where you add, remove, and organize everything that appears in your site navigation. Look for an option labeled Add New Dropdown and click it to insert a dropdown container into your menu. This creates a parent item that will hold the links you want grouped together. Once the dropdown appears in the list, rename it so visitors know what to expect. You can rename it by either clicking the gear icon to open settings or by directly clicking the dropdown's name and typing a new label. Keep the name concise and meaningful. Common choices are words like more or services, but choose whatever fits your site's content. A clear label helps users quickly find related pages and prevents confusion on smaller screens. Next, populate the dropdown with items. You can drag existing pages from your pages list into the dropdown, or you can create new links if you need an external URL or a page that doesn't exist yet. When you drag an item, drop it slightly to the right and underneath the dropdown's parent entry. That small horizontal offset is important because it tells the builder to nest the item under the dropdown rather than placing it at the same level. If an item sits directly beneath without the offset, it will remain a top-level menu entry instead of a child. As you add links, think about order and hierarchy. Drag items up or down within the dropdown to set the sequence users will see. If you need to remove an item from the dropdown later, simply drag it back to the left so it returns to the main menu level. This drag and drop approach keeps editing quick and visual. A couple of practical tips. Use short page titles for dropdown items so they don't wrap awkwardly on mobile, and test the menu in preview mode to confirm hover and tap behavior. In preview, check both desktop and mobile views to ensure the dropdown opens cleanly and that nested links are easy to select. That's all there is to it. Add the dropdown, rename it, and drag in your items with a slight right offset to nest them. Follow those simple actions and you'll have a clean, organized dropdown menu on your hosting or website.